Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of your Polyglot Academy in the series where we're attempting to learn German as fast as possible. Today it's lesson 36 and we're going to talk about how to form sentences with das and what they are, so let's start. Now firstly we're going to consider an example. Die Lehrerin hat gesagt, dass die Klausur verschoben ist, which means the teacher said that the exam was postponed. And if we would consider this sentence, then grammatically speaking, we can divide it into two parts. Firstly, we have the main sentence, die Lehrerin hat gesagt, and then we have the subordinate sentence, dass die Klausur verschoben ist. And by looking at these two sentences, you can also understand the role of das and how we use das. Das is simply positioned right between the main sentence and the subordinate sentence, and we use it to kind of connect these two sentences where we have to consider that the meaning of das is that. So the resulting meaning is going to be the teacher said that the exam was postponed. And by doing that, you can connect two sentences with two different meanings into one and to build more complex sentences in order to express more complex ideas. So this is very good, especially for your vocabulary. Now, summing up the use of das, we use das in order to form sentences in the form we have a main sentence right at the beginning, followed by that in the middle, and which is followed by a subordinate sentence. And in this case, das means that. So that's why we use it like that. Now, in order to understand this better, here's another example. How would you build this sentence in German? Sentence, I know that you lied to me yesterday. Well, first you have to consider the two sentences that we must form. We have the main sentence, which is characterized by I know. So it's simply going to be ich weiß. Then you have that, which means das. So you're going to say ich weiß das. And then you have to build the subordinate sentence. And at the end, the result is going to be ich weiß, dass du mich gestern angelogen hast. Now, there's a few things you have to consider while building such sentences. The most important one is that while building a subordinate sentence, you have to pay attention to the position of the verbs and of the complements and so on. So you know that for subordinate sentences, the subject comes right after das, so you have du. Then you have all types of objects, direct objects, indirect objects right in the middle between the subject and the verb. So in this case, you have mich gestern. And then right at the end of subordinate sentence, you're going to place the verb. In this case, the verb is du hast angelogen, but because we have a subordinate, the position of the auxiliary verb hast and the mirroring verb angelogen is going to change. So it's going to result into dass du mich gestern angelogen hast. So this is very important to know and very important to remember. Now, that was it for today. Here's some exercises. First, to try to connect these sentences in order to form das sentences. And here's also an example so that you can understand how to do it better. So, for example, du kommst uns besuchen, ich freue mich. The resulting sentence is going to be ich freue mich, dass du uns besuchen kommst. And then you can try it also for the other sentences. And the second exercise is simply to construct das Sätze. Sätze means sentences. So you simply have to construct das sentences with the three sentences you got right down there. If you have any questions about the exercises or about the video, just write a comment. And if you are going to do these exercises, then feel free to leave a comment with your solutions so that you're going to get the right solution from me if you're going to upload it. But other than that, thanks for your attention and I hope you enjoyed the video. If that was the case, please subscribe to the channel for more German learning videos and have a nice day.